You can't force a woman to respect you. You can't buy her respect, talk her into it, or beg her for it. Respect is earned silently, through the energy you carry, the boundaries you hold, and the way you respond when life tests you. Most men lose respect, not because they lack love, but because they lose control. They over-explain, they overreact, they overgive. But a Stoic man doesn't need to prove anything. He lets his actions, his composure, and his discipline speak for him. And that's exactly what we'll explore today. 4 Stoic steps to make her respect you deeply, without chasing, begging, or pretending. 1. Control your emotions before they control you. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." When you react to every word, every mood swing, or every silent treatment, you give her control over your emotions. And once she sees that she can trigger you, she'll stop respecting you. A Stoic man knows this. He remains calm. When others explode, he observes before responding. And he doesn't let temporary emotions destroy permanent respect. When you master your calm, you project strength. When you stay grounded, she feels your power. Because in a world full of men who react, the one who stays composed stands out instantly. 2. Speak less, mean more. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one most men try to gain respect by talking, explaining, defending, persuading. But the more you explain yourself, the less power your words have." The Stoic man speaks only when necessary, and when he does, his words carry weight. He doesn't seek validation through conversation. He expresses truth through quiet certainty. When you stop trying to convince her and instead live in alignment with your principles, she can't help but respect you, even if she disagrees with you. Speak less, but every time you do, make it mean something. 3. Set boundaries, without fear. Seneca once wrote, "He who is brave is free." And nothing requires more bravery today than setting clear boundaries. Boundaries aren't walls. They're lines that define what you stand for. And when a woman tests those lines, she's not being cruel. She's checking if your character is real. If you bend every time she pushes, you teach her that your principles are flexible. But when you calmly enforce your limits without anger or apology, she feels your strength. And that strength becomes respect. Don't raise your voice. Don't argue. Simply live by the rule. This is what I accept, and this is what I don't. 4. Lead through purpose, not possession. The Stoic man doesn't try to control her. He controls his direction. He doesn't demand respect. He earns it by walking a path she admires. When you have a purpose greater than her, a mission, a discipline, a reason to rise every morning, she sees something rare in you. She realizes your world doesn't revolve around her, and that's when she begins to revolve around you. Marcus Aurelius said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." And when your thoughts are anchored in purpose, she sees a man of clarity, focus, and peace, the kind of man who can't be replaced. Respect isn't given. It's drawn out through your discipline, your restraint, and your self-control. Control your emotions. Speak less but with meaning. Set boundaries with calm certainty. And lead through purpose, not possession. When you do these 4 things, she won't just respect you, she'll admire you. Because true strength doesn't come from domination, it comes from quiet mastery. Stay grounded, stay calm, and remember, a Stoic man never demands respect. He simply becomes the kind of man who commands it. This is the Stoic way.